Hey there guys, this is George with J.E.V Automotive, bringing you guys another video. Today we are working on a 2007 Audi Q7. It has the 3.6 liter motor, it's the inline six, and what this customer was having was a check engine light, and he was getting a fault code of P0016, which is camshaft to crankshaft correlation bank 1 error. So what we ended up having to get authorization was we needed to remove the engine. We did all of our preliminary checks, which is checking the sensor, making sure the wiring was okay. The sensor itself was not the issue, but what ended up happening was we noticed that during cold starts, the vehicle would rattle and you would get a slight misfire coming out of it. And I want to show you guys what we ended up finding after the teardown. So here's a couple of the pieces that were in behind the timing chain cover. We got some plastic pieces here that broke apart. The rail guide for this chain is gone. That's probably what these portions are right here. This right here, it's about to fall off. So we caught this right on time. And I believe because of this failure, the sprocket on this side of the adjuster here got also damaged. So we are gonna have to do a complete replacement of chain, guides, probably some sprockets will be changed. We just need to see what's available for this motor. So again, if you are having a error code P0016, what we have seen on a lot of forums is a lot of people just go and change the camshaft position sensor. This is a particular problem that happened to this engine. You know, we've been trying to figure out the cause. Most of it I feel is plastics are poorly made, but you know, this might be something that we're going to start to recommend to our clients to do right about 100,000 miles on these engines. So if you have this particular motor, which is not just for the Audis, I believe Volkswagen also has the 3.6 inline six. But if you're right at that 100,000, 120,000 mile mark, highly recommend you get these done, because if this would have fallen apart, timing would have jumped, and we probably would have had engine piston to valve damage, which would have made this repair a higher cost. So George with J.E.V Automotive, 415-883-3937. We now got to get all the parts together. You do need a specific timing tool or engine timing kit to time the engine so that you can remove all these components. We're going to go ahead and do that, and hopefully we'll get this car running in good operating order with no more check engine light. Thank you guys. If you like our content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please comment and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. And we're going to start putting out some more content for you guys. Thank you so much.